In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly search chats with keyboard shortcuts on WhatsApp Web. This handy feature will streamline your communication and save you valuable time, so let's dive right in and get you set up. First, let's talk about why you might want to use keyboard shortcuts in WhatsApp Web. If you're someone who frequently communicates through WhatsApp, whether for personal use or business, you've likely found yourself scrolling endlessly through conversations to find that one piece of information buried beneath a mountain of messages. This is where the beauty of keyboard shortcuts comes in. They allow you to expedite this process dramatically. Alright, so you're ready to give this a try. Depending on your operating system, the shortcuts will be slightly different. If you're using a Windows or Linux computer, you'll want to press and hold the Ctrl, Alt, and the Kielmoschas keys simultaneously. Mac users, on the other hand, can achieve the same result by pressing Command and Control, along with the Push key. Doing this will automatically highlight the search bar. Isn't that simple? This process effortlessly brings the search feature right into focus, avoiding the need to navigate through any menus with your mouse. Now that you've got the search bar ready, the next step is typing. Here, WhatsApp Web offers impressive flexibility. You can type in the name of a contact if you're trying to locate conversations with a specific person. Alternatively, you could enter a phone number, especially useful if the person is not saved in your contacts but you've messaged them recently. And if you're looking for a particular piece of information within a chat, a keyword might be your best bet. For example, typing a keyword from a conversation like invoice, dinner, or meeting can quickly help fetch relevant conversations containing that specific word. This process is especially helpful when you're pressed for time, or need to retrieve information quickly without fumbling through your extensive chat history. So don't overlook this often underutilized feature, because it can make your WhatsApp web experience far more efficient and manageable. As we wrap up, remember that these shortcuts are your path to a faster, more streamlined communication journey on WhatsApp Web. By keeping your fingers on the keyboard, you stay in the flow, minimizing distractions and increasing productivity. It's a small trick, but one that can make a significant difference in your daily routine.